Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today, oh my goodness you guys, I am so excited because I am bringing you a full face-ish. We're testing out 99-cent makeup, okay? Do you guys remember that haul where I showed you everything that I bought? Yeah, so today we are putting it to the test. I mean, not everything on my face is 99 cents, but the eyes, girl, the lips, the highlight, the skin is gleaming. I am so excited to show you guys how these products work. Stay tuned till the end because I will be sharing my honest thoughts on products that I recommend, like you get in your car right now and go find them, or products that you don't need them, okay? So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's full face-ish. Let's just try 99-cent makeup. Let's get into it. I do want to stop and thank today's sponsor, Dossier. You guys know that I've been working with them for a few years. If you guys are not familiar with them, hello, you've been living under a rock, but this is the perfect gift for the holidays. Who doesn't like to smell good? I love smelling good, hence why I have such a large perfume collection. And as you can see up here, I have tons of Dossier perfumes. But let me tell you guys that right now, these two have been on heavy rotation, especially musky green tea. This is inspired by Creed Silver Mountain Water, and I can't put it in words how delicious it smells. It has green tea, bergamot, mandarin, neroli, blackcurrant, sandalwood, and it has that musky scent that really smells like very feminine, very fresh, very clean girl aesthetic, which I feel like is my whole look today. This one is a little more beachy, okay? But hear me out. I love switching up my scents, like regardless of where I'm going, the weather, whatever. This is called Aquatic Coconut and it is inspired by Maison Margiela Replica Beach Walk. This smells like you are at the beach. If you love coconut scents, if you love the aquatic, fresh, lime scented perfumes, this is gonna be it for you. It's definitely a scent that you want to pick up more for like the summertime, but it is perfect all year round if you prefer a softer, fresh, beachy coconut scent. I don't know you guys, but these have just been on heavy rotation. Y'all need them. I will have them linked in the description box down below. The best thing is that Dossier constantly has new perfumes and they have so many affordable products, so no need to spend or break your budget this holiday season on spending hundreds of dollars on expensive perfumes. Dossier has your back for half the price, so make sure you check out the description box down below. I will have a link to Dossier and to my current favorite products. And thank you, Dossier, for supporting my channel, and thank you guys for understanding that brands like this that support my channel are important for me to keep on making content. So with that said, let's jump right into today's tutorial. I'm going to start off with the sponge. This one from Ioni, I believe as well. It's like an hourglass shaped sponge in purple. Wow, Karina, you know your colors so well. I meant an orange. I did my foundation off camera because I didn't have a foundation to share with you guys. I need to grab my mirror, so give me one sec. The sponge is not bad at all. It's not as latexy as other like cheaper sponges. It definitely has a little bounce to it. For example, if you guys have ever tried the Makeup by Ariel and Morphe sponge, that one is probably one of the best sponges that is affordable. So there it is. I mean, is it worth the 99 cents? Absolutely, especially if you're wanting to buy multiple sponges, if you're a makeup artist or something like that. I think this is totally worth it. Let's take a little bit of the blush stick. I think I'm gonna apply it directly onto, no, I'm not. Round two, let's try to use it with a brush and then going right onto the skin. So this is also meant to be used on your lips, on your cheeks, pretty much anywhere where you want to apply a little bit of color. Okay, so it applies better with a brush and it has a really pretty like a glowy finish. I just think this color's maybe not the best for my skin tone. I mean, it shows up, right? You can see it. I turned down the brightness on my camera so you guys can see it a little bit better. So it's pretty. It's not something that I can see myself reaching for because I feel like this would make me so oily, but it's nice for the price. Lip and cheek little tint or little stick that you can buy at a super affordable price. Not bad. I'm going to use this product really quick, the Lip Spa Scrub. Oh, okay. It has, oh, I don't like the smell. It smells like public bathroom. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the smell. The applicator is okay, but it does have a nice little gritty feeling to it, which allows it to exfoliate, or it helps exfoliate the lips. Since I don't have any powder, I just went ahead and set the skin with my One Size powder. And then we are going to try blush and highlighter. I just couldn't really find a lot of like base products, but I'm really excited and hopeful for the eyeshadow palette. By the way, this is giving like a really nice like soft glow to the lips. I'm just going to take off the little lip scrub and we'll see how the lips feel. But they feel pretty soft, honestly. I mean, for $1, it's not bad, and it's not nearly as rough as the e.l.f. The e.l.f. one tends to be a little rough on the lips. Let's go in with this blush by Ioni in the shade Rosy. I'm just going to use that same little brush that I used for the liquid or the stick blush. And I'm going to take that. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. That is really pretty. I probably shouldn't have used this brush because it's still a little bit wet. But here we are. Okay. A little bit chalky, but the pigment is really, really pretty. The only thing is that they didn't have a lot of like color choice. But if you love like a simple pinky peach blush, then I think this is going to be it. So far, I really, really like this, and I really like the lip scrub. It made my lips super, super soft. Let's actually apply a little bit of this lip oil from L.A Colors. That smells just like cupcakes. Okay, it's more of a thin consistency, but it's not bad. Wow, I didn't realize how much of a lip scrub I actually needed on my lips. The one thing that I am mainly excited for is this highlight, again from Ioni in the shade Brighten and Shine. It's just a really pretty, almost like white golden shade, and I'm going to use this Ioni little brush for highlight. So let's see how beautiful or not beautiful this is going to be. Oh yeah, that is really pretty. Oh my gosh, that is actually stunning. And this brush is perfect for highlighting because it does have like that tip, so it allows for precision. It has a little bit of a like pink undertone. I don't know if you guys can see that, but wow, I am here for this. It doesn't look glittery. It almost looks like your skin is just wet. Let's take a little bit more. I knew I was gonna like this, and I honestly haven't even swatched it since I bought all these products because I genuinely wanted to give you guys like a true first impressions on all these products. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more, and I'm going to take that onto the forehead where I already have that shine because I didn't set the forehead. I'm just going to set that on top. Oh my gosh, this has probably been my favorite product so far. Let's move on to the next product, which is going to be the eyeshadow palette. This one I have really high hopes for. It looks really pigmented, again from L.A Colors. I think I'm gonna do something kind of like smoky, and then we will use some of these on, actually we're going to use both of them on the lids. So let's start with this color right here. It's a really pretty like pumpkin spice burnt orange. And this is going to be the main color since we don't really have too many shades. We only have 2 colors to work with. I'm going to use this to be, oh my gosh. That is so pigmented. I knew it. I knew it. I could tell just by looking at them. So I'm just going to use this color and like stamp it, and I'm going to use that to just like kind of like wing it out and then bring it back in and just leave it like right there. Just a rough sketch. And let's see, I think this color is going to be perfect for the brow bone. I was hoping this was going to be a transitional shade, but it is a little too light. So we're just gonna have to work with what we got, and what we got is only 1 matte, well 2 matte shades, but only 1 really works, which is really not that big of a deal. Taking a little bit more and then just bringing it like all around the eye. I wish they would have added like a dark brown in here, because literally this is like the perfect fall little mini affordable palette. So for the center of the lids, I think I'm gonna go in with both of them, and I'm gonna use the little spoolie, the little sponge spoolie that it comes with. So I'm first gonna take this shade right here, and I'm gonna take that. Okay, that's not bad. I'm sure these are going to look a lot brighter if I were to use a glitter glue, but I really just want to stick to what this eyeshadow is. Very subtle, but it's pretty. It's definitely giving fall vibes. I mean, we're still in fall technically. And then I'm gonna use the other clean side, and I'm gonna use this really pretty copper, and I'm just gonna blend them together. Oh my gosh, that's actually really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is stunning. Okay, I'm just gonna go back one more time with the brush that I used, and just gonna go over like the edges. I am in shock. The last thing for the eyes is this Ioni liquid eyeliner. Please pray for me. Make sure that this doesn't ruin my makeup. The tip is actually really hard. That's what she said. Just kidding. The eyeliner is probably not my favorite. It's a little glossy and it feels like a little tacky. It does dry down pretty quickly, but I just, for the price, I feel like e.l.f. has a way better formula. So for me, this is going to be a no. But now for the best part, the lashes. And then we have the lash glue, which I almost forgot about. So let's open the lash glue up, and hopefully this is decent quality, because I feel like a lot of lash glues for the most part perform pretty well. Let's go ahead and open these. These are the Curl Medium Cluster. Oh my gosh, this lash glue gets super tacky, so I am pretty sure this is gonna last me all day. So far this lash is really pretty. The only thing that I have to say is that they are a little bit shiny. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they do have a little bit of a shine to them, which sometimes can make them look a little like plasticky, but I mean, who's gonna tell besides me? For the lips, I have the lip gloss, and then I have this like little like lip pencil. So this is the Fat Lip Chubby Stick in Nude Brown, which oddly enough is gonna go really well with today's look. So let's line them. Okay, the color is really pretty. It's not like my typical color that I would go for, but it is really pretty. I mean, what do you guys think? This is a really pretty, like, I don't know, like a mauve color. I wouldn't say that this is brown. I love the formula. It's a really pretty comfortable matte. I almost don't even want to add lip gloss because it looks really pretty on its own. But let's try this. Ooh. That was a lot. Okay, I'm gonna take some off. I do not like the, that smell. It smells very plasticky. I mean, it added a little bit of color. It's not shiny. It almost feels and looks more like a lip balm. It's just the smell for me. It's overwhelming. It literally smells like melted plastic. So yeah, don't know that I would wear this again just for the smell. Oh my gosh, this is a semi full face using 99-cent makeup. Okay, quick little recap. What do we like? What don't we like? What do I recommend? Of course, you guys, if you love lashes like me, run to your local 99-cent store or run to your local Dollar Tree and stack up on these lashes because they are seriously so pretty. The band is so comfortable, and the fact that they have so many styles, like you're bound to find something that you love. The LA Colors Nude eyeshadow palette, wow, this is such a pretty little quad that you can pick up if you are either on a budget or you just want to try it out, because the pigment is so pretty. You're not getting so many like transitional shades and this and that, but it is a very everyday office work appropriate palette that I can definitely see myself reaching for over and over again. I really like the lash glue. Of course, I will have to tell you guys how it stays on all day, but I can tell you immediately that this is not gonna budge. It's not gonna go anywhere. I loved this lip scrub. I'm definitely keeping this in my desk and I will be using it and reaching for it a lot because it really made my lips super soft and I love the smell. It's not my favorite lip oil, but I do like it for the price. It did leave my lips feeling really soft and it added a nice little shine. Two products that I wasn't a fan of and I just personally would not recommend is the Ioni eyeliner. For me, the liner itself, it's a little too chubby and too thick and too stiff, so it's really hard to create like a soft wing without really getting messy. And then this little like chubby lip and cheek stick, it's not bad, but it's just not a formula that I can really use. And then of course for the lips, I really like this. I can definitely see myself using it, even though it's not a color that I personally gravitate towards, but the formula itself is really pretty. The lip gloss is definitely going to be a no for me. The smell, I can't get over it. And of course, this is not something that you absolutely need, but if you're just wanting to try this out, I really enjoyed this brush for highlighting and you will definitely see me using it a lot more. So that is it, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. Let me know what makeup you want to see me test next. We can either do like Dollar Tree, we can do TJ Maxx or Ross, Marshalls. We can even do Shop Miss A, which we have a local Shop Miss A here in Texas in a mall. So let me know your thoughts. What are your favorite products? What stood out to you that you were like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe that product is amazing for 99 cents. All right, you guys, I am so hungry. I am gonna go make dinner. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe. And until next time, I'll see you guys for my next video. Bye.